the Sony A7S III. 5 things part of the body of the Sony A7S III why I really like, and I think that Sony got it right compared to the Canon EOS R5. Hey, Hakuna Matata, my friend. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so pleased to see you around here. And as always, before I start, I want to share with you the Mavic Air drone that I'm giving away when I reach 1,000 subscribers. One thing you have to do, two things you have to do, sorry. First, like this video, and secondly, subscribe to my channel. And by the end, when I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna pull a name, and maybe that will be your name. So subscribe not to miss that. I've been using the Sony A7S III for few months now, for couple of 3 months already. And there is certain thing in the part of the body ergonomic that I really like, and I think that Sony got it absolutely spot on, get it right compared to the Canon EOS R5, where I think that Canon got it wrong. And I'm gonna get you through all those things so for you to understand if you are thinking of making a choice. Number one is the output doors. You know those doors of the those doors. I think the way that Sony has made them is the way that it's built is so good. I don't know what material, but it's really straight, it's really strong. It's plastic, but the good plastic, and very strong, and well done for Sony compared to the Canon ones. The Canon ones is just gonna be tear apart now because it's gonna be broken very soon. So well done, Sony. Number two is the HDMI port. Let me show you that. Compared to Canon EOS R5, Sony gone with the full size HDMI. You have to use the HDMI, mini HDMI for you to understand. With the Canon, I already broken two. It's not that I'm clumsy, but it's just the way that you just miss a little bit, it will break. But Sony went with the full size HDMI. I commend Sony for that. It's like Panasonic S1. My Panasonic S1 is a full HDMI. It's so good. So you don't need to buy like a 10 mini HDMI. Number three, it is the card slot. You see here, Sony is clever, and I really commend Sony for that. Those two card slots, basically what you can do is that you can have two SD cards simultaneously recording for you, or you can have two CF Express cards recording simultaneously here, or you can have CF Express card and also a SD card. Well done, Sony. So basically you have 4 card slots in here. All right, number 4 is the setting mode, what I call it setting mode. This dial mode right here, So Sony went with the traditional one, the one that we know quite a lot. So it's easy, you know which one is one, you just turn it in and then lock it, and then it's done. Compared to Canon, which Canon went with like a screen thing where you have to, and sometimes for you to get to, for example, to change from a video to photo, you have to press this button, and you have to press 2 buttons. It's like the way out here, like Control Alt Delete. Yeah, you press this one and then you press the function info, and then you can change around. Yeah, but here I love this one. It's so simple. 5, is this primary dial button. This. I think the positioning for me, Sony got it absolutely right. I like it when it's here, so it's easy for me, to change it around. And I like that, the shutter button is just here. Because what Canon done is that they put the dial here and the shutter over there, and sometimes it's not quite easy to get into it like this one. So I love what Sony done with this one. This one is a bonus. The EVF, the electronic viewfinder. Is it 9.9? I think so, or 9 point something. You have to look at it. When you look at it and take a picture or take a video, it's so good. Whenever you got your hand on the Sony A7S III, just try it first, and then you understand what I mean. Yes, so guys, so that's what it is. So the 5 things that I know that part of the body of the Sony A7S III that I really think that Sony got it completely right, completely spot on, and Canon got it absolutely wrong with the Canon EOS R5. I hope you find this video useful. If so, please like it. Yeah, and also subscribe to my channel with the chance to get a Mavic Air drone. Yes, as always, I am so pleased. Hakuna Matata to you, my friend. And most importantly, stay safe, stay protected, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao for now. Bye.